Hello, I'm Michael Socavetta. In this video, we're going to go over how to add database-driven content to a WordPress page using shortcode. In this example, I want to make this number dynamic, pulling from an external MySQL database. First, in the dashboard, under Appearance, there should be a link to the theme editor. If you don't see editor in the menu, you can modify the wp-config.php file to add it to the appearance menu. Type define disallow file edit and set that to false. If you don't want to do that, then you can easily go to the theme editor directly by going to the URL, whatever your website is.com/wp-admin/theme-editor.php. When you get to the theme editor, go to functions.php, go to the very bottom, and add the shortcode function. The first argument in the add_shortcode function is the shortcode name. The second is the name of the function you're going to create to return whatever it is you want the shortcode to display. You don't have to use an underscore, that's just my personal naming convention for functions. I should mention that I'm assuming you know how to write a PHP function and query a MySQL database. Save that, and now edit the page. This page uses Beaver Builder, but the same process will work with Divi, Elementor, or the default WordPress editor. I'm just going to replace the existing element with a new one, an HTML element, include my shortcode in place of the static number, and then delete the original line. Done and publish. And that's it.